Hey guys, today this is the view from the UNLV Track and Field Stadium of the Resorts World Las Vegas. Hey guys, hey, this is OneManOneCamera. You know what? We're going to do a ride-by of the Resorts World Las Vegas. I don't think I've ever done just a ride-by on the old Jitensha, that's bicycle in Japanese, just to give it a try, okay, you guys? So, today is December 21st, maybe 12:30 in the morning. I'm sorry, 12:30 in the afternoon, 1 o'clock, I'm not really sure. I lost track of time. But this $4.3 billion project is due to open up open up mid-2021. Now there are some worries. Some people are worried about the economy, you know, taking a dump as it does every now and then, and worried that when these 3,000 or I think 3,500 rooms come online, if it will, you know, be too much to drop in at one time. That's some old guy was waving at me, but he wasn't. He was just pointing. All right. Now, this is being run by the Genting company out of Malaysia. I mentioned before, but I think I went to one of their casinos in Sentosa Island in Singapore. It was one of those things where I was staying at a little modestly priced, hostel, and they gave us, I think, a $10 credit to go to the casino and just spin the wheel or something. I think it was roulette or blackjack, I don't remember which one it was. But I did get a player's card, but now I cannot find it. All right. There you go. All right. Man, this building is really, okay, all right, there we go. All right, now, don't forget, the left tower will have that 100,000 square foot LED screen, which is, you know, almost the size of 2 football fields, which I still don't understand why. Okay, now we're on, what street is this? I think it's Sammy Davis, maybe? I think. Okay, it's the other side of the strip. This street runs parallel with the strip, and there is some more Resorts World. Oh, and those of you who are looking for Sapphire's, you know, World Watch Gentlemen's Club, it's right over here. Never been inside myself, but I am taking donations to go and explore the place. Just kidding. Well, if you want me to go, just send a little cash, all right? All right, let's keep on going. Now, here's the parking lot for Resorts World right here. And, you know, I believe things are going along A-okay on this one also. The date being mid-2021 should hopefully give them plenty of time get this thing done, up and running. And I think we all hope for the best with this thing. Some people are happy the Asian theme hasn't dropped. Some people are not happy it has been dropped. So, you know, there'll always be opinions across the board on these sort of things. All right, you guys. Sapphire, world's largest gentleman's club. All right. All right, you guys, that just about does it. Like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello and I will say hello back. Take care wherever you are around the world, around the US, and have a great day. Oh, here's Circus. All right, that'll be it.